How to change your primary email address on LinkedIn. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change your primary email address on LinkedIn, whether you're changing emails or just want to update your contact information. I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, so let's get started. First things first, open the LinkedIn app or go to linkedin.com in your browser and log in to your account using your current credentials. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. From there, go to Settings. Now go to Sign In and Security. Here you can see Account Access and tap on Email Address. Here as we can see our primary email. To change your primary email, what you need to do is simply tap on Add Email. Tap on Yes, It's Me. Here what you need to do is simply enter your new email address and enter your LinkedIn password. Once you've done that, simply tap on Submit. Verify your code and simply enter the code, or simply tap on select this link. Now tap on Done. Now as you can see, we have two emails. Just remove the old email and your new email will be your primary email, and that's it. That's how you can simply change your primary email address on LinkedIn.